Hi guys, I'm Ovi and this is my kitchen. I've got sausage roll recipe to share with you today, so if you want to know how to cook this, please stick around. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time viewing any of my videos, you're very welcome. My name is Ovi and this is Ovi's Kitchen. I make food videos and food related content videos for your viewing pleasure. Today we're making sausage rolls. Guys, this snack is the easiest snack I know how to make. It's easier than meat pie, I can tell you for sure. It's easier than puff puff, it's easier than donuts, it's easier than so many things I know. So we're going to start off with the pastry dough, which is flour, baking powder, salt, margarine, and we're just going to crumb that with our hands and dig a well, pour some water on top and just squish. That's all. Just mix this very well for like a minute or two until it's combined, and then you notice that it's not sticking to your fingers anymore so much. This more sticking shot, but like your fingers become clean. Yeah, that's when you know that the dough is ready. Then over to rolling. Just gonna flour work surface slightly. I overfloured mine because I was looking for my chopping board that day. I don't know, both chopping boards went missing and I had to use my turntable to roll, so I used more flour. Okay, and I rolled mine pretty thinly. I don't know who likes thick pastry. I think it's just for lack of meat that people roll thick pastry. So I like to roll my pastry dough thin and fill it up with the meat inside or whatever filling I have. Okay, it's a baby girl life. Don't do poverty-stricken pastries, please. Guys, so just try to roll out your dough as thinly as you love to roll it out. Yep, you can see mine, and I just used my pizza cutter to shape in this. You can use a knife if you have one. If you don't, well, everybody has a knife, so I was going to say if you don't have one, use a ruler. Okay, everybody has a knife, sorry. Madam substitute. Anyway, so I just cut mine. I don't really like my pastry to be too big, so I cut mine fairly shorter than gala. It was longer than half gala, but shorter than full gala size. And then I just filled with my sausage. Now I didn't spice this sausage with any external spice of mine because I trust this brand so much. If you want to know the brand of sausage I use, check out my Scotch egg video. I posted this video. Okay, it's a video before this one, the previous video. Check it out. I showed you the brand I used. I love their spicing, so I don't need to add anything, not even salt, not pepper. It's just perfect for me. So if you want to go with my recommendation, you can get the brand in a lot of supermarkets. It's really common in Nigeria here. I don't know about any other country, but it's common in Lagos, fairly common in Lagos. Okay, so check out my Scotch egg video to see the brand of sausage I used. And yep, it's very easy. I filled with 2 teaspoons of brown sausage, heaped kind of. So this is my sausage. Guys, this thing looks so cute. And the hands down today, I sound like a cockroach. Like, I don't know why I sound like a cockroach. Guys, this is just whole egg and a teaspoon of evaporated milk. You can use any milk you have, and we're going to use this to egg wash our sausage rolls. Okay, so just slightly coat the top of your sausage rolls, not sausages, with your egg wash. I don't like to use just egg because it's too eggy. Yeah, it gets too, the filmy layer is just too pronounced, so I prefer to always thin out my egg with some milk. But if you don't have the luxury of that, you can just use some water. Okay, and I baked this at 150 degrees I actually baked for 30 something minutes. Guys, look at the sausage rolls. I chopped them in bits because I wanted to get you guys a beautiful picture. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more great food content. Bye.